Hello everyone, today I'll tell you how to make Kiwi Island Breeze mocktail. First of all, you have to take a shaker glass and you have to fill the glass with ice cube. Then pour 30 ml of Kiwi crush. Then you have to pour 180 ml of pineapple juice. Then you have to pour 30 ml of lime juice. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Just you have to shake well. After that, then take any type of fancy glass and pour all the ingredients into the fancy glass. This is the 3-layer mocktail. Then add some more ice cube for making the layer mocktail. You have to add some more ice cube. Then take another glass and you have to pour 20 ml of grenadine syrup on it. Then pour 120 to 150 ml of ultra monster on it for the layer. Then pour all the mixture on top of the mocktail. See the two. Then you have to take another glass and you have to add 10 ml of blue cocoa syrup. You can add some more ice cube for the layer. Then add the ultra monster. Then pour the mixture on top of the glass. You can see the 3-layer mocktail is ready. Fancy mocktail. See how the color came, very fancy mocktail. And serve with straw, and you can garnish with kiwi or lime slice. Thank you very much for watching my